Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everybody. Excited to be back and talking more about Agentforce today. Hi, my name is Ella, and I am a certified Salesforce consultant at SOLVD.cloud, where we help companies automate their businesses through the use of AI and Salesforce, which is why I'm excited to be talking about Agentforce and how Agentforce handles user authentication and authorization, because it's all about keeping your data secure while ensuring that the right agents have the access that they need. So let's get into it. To reiterate the question, we will be going over how does Agentforce handle user authentication and authorization. And since Agentforce is built directly on the Salesforce platform, it leverages Salesforce's robust and well-established security framework. This means it benefits from years of development and industry-leading best practices. Let's start with authentication. This is the process of verifying a user's identity, essentially confirming they are who they say they are. Agentforce relies on several Salesforce authentication methods, such as username and password, the most common method. Users enter their unique username and a secret password to gain access. Salesforce enforces password policies like complexity requirements and expiration dates to enhance security. The next one is multi-factor authentication, or MFA, a crucial security layer. Salesforce strongly encourages and often requires MFA. This means users need to provide an additional verification factor beyond their username and password, such as a code from an authenticator app, a security key, etc. Agentforce seamlessly integrates with Salesforce MFA capabilities. The next one is single sign-on. For organizations using a centralized identity provider, Agentforce can be configured for SSO. This allows users to log in once with their corporate credentials and access both Salesforce and Agentforce without needing to log in again. This streamlines the user experience and it can improve security and management. Once the user is successfully authenticated, the next step is authorization. This determines what the authenticated user is allowed to do within Agentforce. Salesforce's powerful permission model governs this. First off, it's profiles. Think of profiles as blueprints that define the baseline permissions for a group of users. A profile controls what objects and fields a user can access, what actions they can perform, like creating, reading, editing, or deleting records, and what system permissions they have. You might have different profiles for support agents, supervisors, or administrators within Agentforce. Next one is permission sets. These are like add-on packs that grant additional permissions to specific users, regardless of their profile. Permission sets offer a flexible way to grant access to specific features or functionalities without having to create numerous profiles. For example, you might have a permission set that allows certain agents to escalate cases. Sharing rules. Agentforce, like the rest of Salesforce, utilizes a sophisticated sharing model to control record-level access. This ensures that users can only see and interact with the data they are authorized to view. Sharing rules can be based on ownership, roles, or criteria. For instance, you might have a sharing rule that allows all agents within the same team to view each other's cases. Object and field level security. Beyond record-level access, administrators can also control which objects and even specific fields within those objects users can access. This provides granular control over sensitive data. So, to summarize, Agentforce leverages the robust security foundation of Salesforce. It authenticates users through various methods like usernames and passwords, MFA, and SSO. Once authenticated, authorization is managed through profiles, permission sets, sharing rules, and object and field level security. This multi-layered approach ensures that only the right people have the right access to the right information within Agentforce, keeping your customer data safe and your operations efficient. All right, that is it. But moving forward, if you have any more questions about Agentforce, make sure to head over to Salesforce's website where they have tons of great demo videos on the functionalities of Agentforce. Or if you want to see more videos like this one, head over to the Solve.cloud YouTube channel where there's tons of great content on Agentforce or even other topics such as Service Cloud and Revenue Cloud. Or if you would like to talk to Solve.cloud's consultant today, head over to our website and we'll be happy to chat about how you can integrate Agentforce into your systems.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.